Thank you, Osama. Really a pleasure for us to work as Vodafone with DEF on multiple projects and making an impact in rural India. I guess I'll take the liberty of flashing a few slides just to share with you the kind of journey that some of us as companies have gone through, and there's a larger context to it. And the reason why I have a lot of hope, and I know we heard about maybe it's 32%, not 25, but well, the point is I recall the time when I started my journey in telecoms in 93. It was less than 1% tele-density. So I'm very happy that even if we talk big numbers, the fact that we've reached at least 600 to 650 unique users in this country is a big step, despite many challenges and roadblocks that oftentimes were driven by sometimes conflicting interests in industry, sometimes by policies that were not exactly amenable to rapid rollout and so on. So I look at the future with a lot of, hope and optimism. I just want to put this up because it just tells you how recent the journey of technology or rather larger good is. Turn of the century, just about 15 years ago, when United Nations 191 states and came together and said, yes, we need to get together to make a difference in people's lives, and the Millennium Development Goals were put together. 8 goals, everything was said to be achieved by 2015, 15 years. Some hits, some misses, but the fact is that for the first time, in a very consolidated and structured way, there was a understanding that it was going to be a multi-stakeholder approach. That means government, private sector, social entrepreneurs and individuals needed to come together to sign up to the larger good and basically make those learnings by co-creating programs and learning along the way. And now they've given to, they've just moved on to more the SDG, but the idea is still the same, that how do we get, the multi-stakeholder engagement going, and so sustainable development goal then takes some of the learnings from there and moves it forward. And for us too, as a company, a global company that's largely committed to technology for good, and it's about how do we use. Well, as a company, the journey has been one where we've kind of gone through various steps. Definitely, we were early adopters. We talked about having policies that were globally socially responsible. That's the journey we started with. Over time, the point that Sukumari talked about, fundraising or kind of checkbook philanthropy, was the model that we kind of evolved to saying, okay, we can't get into this ourselves. Let's find a way that we can support people that are in the field. Quickly evolved to saying, can we create shared values for society and therefore start to work with the ecosystem that we have? And from there, we've actually said, even bring it closer to ourselves, from just not working with our ecosystem partners, but also kind of getting into our DNA, which means what is the core competence that Vodafone has, and can we make that as a means to kind of get into that kind of a 360-degree engagement with government, with social entrepreneurs and so on. For us, this has been the most rewarding phase, if I may. So we just don't take our contributions lightly. So whether it's working with the BharatNet projects or some of these things on Swachh Bharat, what is it that we can bring into those projects, which is different from, say, a Coke or some other company, a Levers or something else, is what we kind of have thought a lot about. And using that as a means, we've come to saying, okay, our core competence is technology. We know how to take scale, to derive scale from pilots. We know how to address last mile, which is what large country with diversity like India is all about. And from there, we've actually identified areas that we work with very closely and in a very focused manner. So it's M Agri, M Health, M Education, M Women kind of initiatives that are at the core of our entire initiatives that we work in this social space. We also then kind of look at technology as one that, to the point which is made, that is just not smartphones, but what about reaching people that, Osama, you made about those who don't have access to smartphone. So for us, multimodal delivery, SMS, IVR, data, and a bunch of other things that we look at as means to kind of get to people is what we focus on. And we engage very strongly in government programs that have reach. Wherever we think that we have experiences that we can bring on the table that will help even government to anticipate things that may come in the way of scale, then we get involved in it very often. We've been working with a lot of partners. We have a Mobile for Good Awards. We'll just kind of pull it up, something that Osama, very proud of our association with you and DEF, and we started this whole journey on Mobile for Good. It's the whole thing about in the focus area that we work on, how do we kind of start to work with small NGOs that have great ideas, but can we again get some kind of a mentorship apart from some award amount that helps them through making the journey from pilot to scale. I think DEF is a classic thing on how we've started this journey, the 150 things, and we're so gung-ho about it that when our partners ask us, we have Indus, which is a tower company, the largest tower company in the world. We have about 42% share as Vodafone, and they asked us, hey, we need to do something with our CSR money, tell us where to do. Then Madhu and I, we spoke about it. The first port of law for us was actually DEF. So we're very proud of that association we have with you. It's been a joint learning process for us. We look at M-Pesa, which is a financial inclusion tool for us. Just to give you a perspective, in Kenya, for those who have not heard, 70% of all money transfer takes place on the M-Pesa platform. We're trying to do the same thing in India. I hope that the policies, the RBI and payment banks will make it easy for companies like us, which have rich experience, to contribute in this journey. We've got about 3 million users. We have 100,000 nearly cash out points, if you may. The number that we talk about is significantly higher than where banking sector can even reach from a rural perspective. The fact that we have about 180 million people that we reach to 1.8 million retailers, in a way we say that we've helped a lot of people that were otherwise, local entrepreneurs to emerge from the shadows. And we feel that with tools that we have, with technology that we bring on the table, the global experience that we have, that we can make even a larger, impact, jointly working with like-minded organizations in different sectors. So proud to report that with a short journey in India, that last year we've actually made an impact of touching about 1 million people. Our audacious goal for the next 5 years, how do we kind of scale that 15 times? So how do we get to 15 million people with our technology, our projects that we've chosen in those 4 areas that I illustrated? And I know it's not a journey that we can ever do by ourselves. And so it's only with partners that we get to grow. Clearly, DEF is our partner number, it's a very, very critical partner and a long-standing one for us. But a few other people that we've been working with. We hope that this journey, where we engage with government, with other stakeholders in the sector, and with the social entrepreneurs around, that we can continue to make the difference. And if we reach 15 million in 5 years from now, we would say that's a job well done, because we're quite certain that initiatives this will be multifold, and therefore, to get to 1 billion people would significantly kind of be an easy task for us as a nation. I'll just end with a short video, which Osama has been very kind to tell us. In fact, he said, guys, you do good work, showcase it. And so we've got a booth outside that talks about what we are doing in terms of the Mobile for Good Awards. But maybe if we can just have the AV for that before I...
The pulse, I feel it, it's here, believe it. Everybody on your feet and breathe in the moment. Put your hand to your heart as we all come together. We've worked, we've waited, but it's here, we've made it. We've watched with bated breath. And our sweat will witness, and our strength will win this. Our tears of joy will vindicate it all. Everybody on your feet and breathe in the moment. Put your hand to your heart as we all come together. We got the fire in our eyes, and we will shine.
Thank you once again, Osama, for this opportunity. And as I said, together we'll make a difference.